Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to enable Steam Guard. So to do that, click on your account name in the top right corner of the screen. Then select account details from the drop down menu. Now in the account details screen, click on manage Steam Guard. Under the security section, then select get Steam Guard codes by email or get Steam Guard codes by app, depending on your preference. If you choose to receive codes by email, verify your email address by clicking on the verification link that is sent to your email. If you chose to receive codes by the app, download the Steam app on your mobile device and follow the prompts to set it up. Once you have enabled Steam Guard, you will be prompted to enter a code from your email or app each time you log in to your Steam from an unrecognized device or location. And that's how to enable Steam Guard. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.